Hello, guys and girls and everyone. How are y'all doing? It is time for the reveal of something that I was working on just to try to see, how it was gonna work. And let's do this. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Look at it, y'all. Isn't that pretty? I like it. That was the underside. I'm not worried about that side. But look at this. You see the little beads in there that I put in there? The glass rock. That's my gold. Oh, that turned out wonderful. So I am so sure that the molds that I have coming today, I am gonna do this type design. Yes, I am. My voice is so raspy this morning. Let me, as usual, Mountain Dew. I'm sorry if y'all heard that. Big sip. But look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. I wish I can keep that reflection off. That is gorgeous. The colors are nice. Oh, I did that. I did that, girl. I did that. You see that? Oh my gosh. I am so proud of myself. Look at me showing out. So I am going to do a set of 4 of these because this was just my trial. Oh gosh. And I'm going to you see how the line, you can see like the clear part. I'm going to take my gold acrylic pen and go around there and go around the edges. But that looks gorgeous. Now let me sit this to the side for a second because I really wanted to see. I just had some extra resin, and so I decided to try to do some little oh, he looks okay. He's hoping that everything just stick together some kind of way. It should. I don't see no reason why not. Make sure those stay put. And once I got my beads, see, can I get them thrown back up there some kind of way? I think I'm still gonna have to end up putting like putting some more resin up here so that it all can still be a nice flat surface and not show where I oh, these balls just bouncing. Oh my goodness, y'all didn't tell me it was gonna be such a mess, but it is. But I like these little balls. That didn't sound so good. Oh well, we're all adults. We're all adults. Just taking so long. Nice little trinket coaster. Come up with some stuff, girl. Come up with it. Just bringing it off to the edge. And securing it. So I think this is going to be okay. I don't see no reason why not. It's leveled around. My table is level, so it won't go off to just one side. And I'm just gonna take it now and just get all the air bubbles out. I don't really see a lot, so that's not gonna be a problem. I just see like a couple of balls try to escape from me, you know, here and there, but overall, it's done. This is what I should have done from the start. Maybe I wouldn't have had any trying to escape. Let's spread some around in here. That was the idea. Oops. Missed and poured a lot of them right there, which was all of them. It's okay though. I think it's good. I think they're all sealed in. I like it, y'all. I really do. Like, I can't wait to get my other ones today. They're supposed to be here sometime today. I don't know when, but they'll be here. One last torch. Everything is good. Looks as if touch it right there. I think all of this is good all the way around. So I can't really, let's see if I can take you down and let you see a little closer. But this is what we're looking like. Sorry for that reflection. There. Isn't that gorgeous? That is just gorgeous.